Jen McCann, local real estate agent here in Northern Virginia with another Who, What, Where, When, Why Wednesday, when I answer frequently asked questions from buyers and sellers. So this question I get a lot from sellers. Why do I need to get a permit? I know there are a lot of homeowners that try and avoid getting permits because of tax purposes and different things like that. But let me tell you, there is a significant reason why it's so important for you to get a permit. And the biggest reason is, should something happen, for example, somebody installed electrical wiring and the wiring is faulty and there is a fire, if the insurance company finds out that you have done renovations to the property and that they were not inspected and you did not get a permit for them, the insurance company may not cover that claim. So it is really important that you look into what is required to get a permit, the cost, and then make the best decision based off of that. So if you have any questions about getting a permit, or if you're looking at doing renovations to prepare your home for the market, please feel free to give me a call at 703-587-8787 or find me on the web at jenmccann.com.